Nice one, cool dudes. I am here at Wateringbury Station. Where is that? It is here in the beautiful region of Kent, the Garden of England. I'm about to undertake an 8-mile walk. This walk is from the excellent Saturday Walkers Club. It should take me about 4 hours. There's only one thing left to say. Good luck, everyone, especially me. I'm very wary of swans, cool dudes, since an incident that took place when I was about 8 years old on a holiday where I got chased by a swan for what felt like a mile. It was probably only about 30 metres. And during the chase, I stepped on some glass which cut into my foot. It seemed like I almost died through shock and blood loss. In reality, it was only a minor cut, but I still have the scar to this day. A lady just stopped me to tell me there was a halo around the sun, which is caused by ice crystal clouds around it. So this is what it looks like. William Cobbett said of this walk, it's the finest 7 miles he's walked in England, but that was back in 1823. It's time for the question of the day. I'm also running out of questions of the day, so please send your ideas for questions of the day below. In the meantime, this one has been sent to me by my friend Beverly, who says, if you had to live in 1 year for the rest of your life, and the year continues again and again and again, and you get older, what year would you choose? A very good question. I think I might go for 1986 or 85, somewhere around there, where I liked all the 80s stuff. Please write yours below and why. Nice one. It is nearly mid-April, and finally it feels that spring has nearly sprung. The birds are out, but what is this bird song, please, that I heard just a moment ago? Please write the answer below. Thank you. A delicious burger there, cool dudes. I enjoyed it so much I forgot to take a photo of it. But how much was it? £12.95, very reasonable in the current burger climate. Approaching East Farleigh Bridge, cool dudes. And as you stone lovers may recognise, that is constructed out of local ragstone in the 14th century. And during the Civil War, the parliamentary forces crossed this bridge, allowing them to have a surprise attack from the south to defeat the royalists in Maidstone. It's a Grade 2 listed ancient monument. These are anti-cycling things here, I think. William Cobbett was right, this is a gem of a walk. For some reason, I always think of Wind in the Willows whenever I go past a river like this. No, Wind in the Willows. Oh, get lost sunglasses, Marek. For those of you who like the quizzes, here is today's one. It is a simple question. Which character in Wind in the Willows did I like best? A. Mole. B, rat. C, toad. D, badger. Answers below. You've got 3 seconds to answer. If you're thinking about getting into walking, cool dudes, this is an excellent walk to start off on. It's only about 8 miles. It's very peaceful, very flat, and not too muddy. The perfect conditions. A good barometer of how nice a place is how many houses you walk past and think, oh, I'd like to live there. On this walk, it's probably about 75% of the houses, very high quality. Coming to the end of the walk now, cool dudes. It has been a very peaceful, yet somewhat uneventful walk. But sometimes it's good to have uneventful, peaceful walks. Mainly for me and not for you, the viewer. If you have enjoyed this walk, you can always help me go on more adventures by joining the Cool Dudes Walking Club. Why would anyone want to do that? Well, Sunglasses Marek, because they get to use these incredible emojis. They get to watch all these extra, more eventful videos, and they get entered into the prize draw after every episode, in which they can win incredible things, including strawberry laces. Oh, I suppose it sounds quite good. If I could be bothered, how could I join? Well, viewers and Sunglasses Marek, you just go to the channel page, click on this link and choose what tier of membership you would like, from 99p up to a lot more. And thank you to everyone who has. Now, let's finish this blooming walk off. Nice one, cool dudes. Back at Wateringbury Station. That walk was a total of 4 hours, 48 minutes, 8.5 miles. One of the nicest walks I've done. I can thoroughly recommend that walk. It was very relaxing and enjoyable. The prize draw is coming up next. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, one more thing left to say. Stay cool. Oh, that is a nice painting. I want it for the inside of my mouth. You can have it. Bidding starts at £9 on eBay. Bid all your money right now. Anyway, here's the prize draw. There are no strawberry laces in this episode's prize draw because I accidentally ate them last night. But instead, we have these following things. 6 amazing art cards of people lying down and resting after a long walk from rathergoodart.co.uk. Check out that website. There's some brilliant cards on there if you fancy some quality cards from artists. As well as that, a brand new card game from Stripey Art. Go and have a look on Stripey Art as well to see more details about this. You can have your own one if you win this prize. Also, a vinyl sticker, a paper sticker, a Sunglasses Marek keyring, badges, a paracord bracelet, and an expandable cup you could use for painting or drinking water. That is a good prize. Currently, there are 561 of you cool dudes supporting me on YouTube. Thank you so much for your help. It's time to say, random number generator, generate me a number. Generate 510. The 510th longest serving YouTube member who's been a member for just a month is Zeb B. Zeb, you've won this cool stuff. Please email me at callswalkingclub@gmail.com. to get these prizes. Send me your address. Alright, what else is there to say? Oh yes, I've been doing regular vlogs of what I've been doing on my other channel, Marek Larwood, which you can go and watch and subscribe to if you like. That is it. Your keyring picture's coming up next. One more thing left to say. Oh, that's it. Stay cool.